Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion, we will see how to add many to one field in the XML file. In case you missed previous discussion about how to use eval attribute and how to add images in the XML file, please check link is given in the description. If you want to learn more about Odoo, you can visit the Weblands channel. Under the home screen, you can see Odoo development tutorial. And right now we are working on this playlist. Alright, and in case you are a beginner and want to learn from the beginning, you can visit this playlist because this is the main playlist and those are the topic wise sub playlist available. Alright, so let's back to our main topic. Guys, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe. It will help me a lot, plus you will get the latest notification about the upcoming session. Let's talk about a many to one field, how to add in the XML file. Here we have created Iron Man, Jerry, right? Let's say Popeye and the Tom. Let's talk about this country field. So this country having options here, right? And if you want to add the preloaded data, right? Let's say Afghanistan. If you want to add for this record, in this case, you have to use the special attribute in the XML site. And how? We will see in this discussion. So I'm going to teach you one by one. I'm not going to create everything in a one session because it's possible you will confuse. So let's say in the RES partner, let's say in the DOM, right? I have to add here that field name, which is country underscore ID, right? And here we have to use the ref. Ref means the reference, right? Here the reference for what? So reference is like we already created some records using the XML file or using the CSV file, right? So you can see here in the base, in the data, right? You can see country data is available here. Now let's say this UAE, right? United Arab Emirates. You can see ID is A, right? Let me copy this one. Let me add here, but it won't be work. Why? Because this A available in this file. So where this file is located in this base module, right? So this base module name we have to mention like this, and that's it. After Odoo automatically manage everything. So here, let me first delete all these images. Here first I have to upgrade the module. So guys, if you don't know how to configure Odoo in PyCharm, please check a detailed level playlist. I already explained everything. Right now you can see it's Afghanistan, right? Once I will refresh the screen, so you can see here still it's there, the Afghanistan, right? Why? Let me also add here in the Popeye, in the Jerry. Let me upgrade one more time. Let me refresh the screen. Now you can see it's automatically upgrade this data, right? Sometimes it won't be called right while upgrade, but definitely it will upgrade the existing selected value to the, it will override with this mention XML value, right? So you can see in the DOM it's available like this. For the Iron Man it's not available. Why? Because we didn't mention. For the Jerry you can see like this. For the Popeye you can see like this. And the last DOM, right? You can see here also in the Kanban view it's updated like this way. Now let's say it is all about the existing records, right? Here you can also do one more thing, right? Let's not talk about the country part, but let's see the title, right? Here let's see here, so we have something like this, right? So doctor, madam, miss, mr and professor. Now let me create one more on fly here, baby by, all right, as a short name. Save. If I'm going to here, and now you can see this one, and I can't see here the ID, right? So for that, let me go to the view part. So I have created on fly, right? So due to that, this 6 ID is not having a XML ID, right? So what is the XML ID? I'm referring this one in the view metadata, this XML ID. So this XML ID is not available for that record in the title for the baby, right? So here what I'm doing is, so first let's see here, what is this field name? Title, right? So let's say field name title ref. So in here we don't need to use here the ref. In case we can use here eval and 6. For here same, for here also same, and here. And let me upgrade the module. Okay, and let's see here. So it's everything is good without any error message. Let me minimize this one. And once I will refresh the screen, right now you can see the baby is available here, right? For the Jerry, you can see the baby Jerry is available here. For the Popeye, you can see here the baby and the Tom also having the baby, right? So here that means you can add directly the ID, but I'm not recommend to use the ID using the ever, right? My recommendation is use the reference, because sometimes what happen is, let's say this baby I just created, someone deleted, and again someone add the new record as a baby, right? And obviously the ID is also changed. It would be like not the 6, but it would be the 10 or 7 or like that. So again it's here 6, and once someone upgrade the student module, so what happen is this ID is not available, and due to that the upgradation is failed, right? So let's say here 600, 690, 699, and let me add here 665, right? And once I will upgrade this module, now you can see here, you can see here insert or update table res partner violation for in key constraint, the title, this is the constraint ID, right? This 690 is not found. So while upgradation time you will face this issue. So it's better don't use this one and instead use the ref, I mean this one. I'm just giving you the two different scenarios here, right? So that's the reason I have provided two different scenarios, using the ref and using the eval directly at the ID, if you already know. So that's it all about the many2one field, how you can add the data specifically for the many2one field. Alright, and our next session would be how to add data in many-to-many field. Alright, if you still have any doubt related to this topic, please comment below and see you in our next session.